Good morning, my friends. I hope all of you are having an awesome, fantastic day. We are back at Epcot to finish exactly what we did not get to do in the last video. We have a lot to do, a lot of fun, and Garden Grill, the next character dining experience to open here at Walt Disney World. Let's go do this. Right at Park Open Test Track, a 10-minute standby wait. Looks like we get to bypass the designer studio room.
SimCar performance data acquired.
Here comes the final test.
Energizing for power test.
Test track, it was a straight walk-on. We still don't have an update regarding the Epcot monorail system. My guess is because you can't park hop right now. And here's one of the big updates here in Epcot. When you're eating or drinking, you must pull over to the side and eat and drink. You can no longer walk and eat and have your mask down. Whoa, look at the World Showcase right now. It is pretty much almost empty. Let's go have a ride on the Grand Fiesta Tour. Is it too early for a margarita? Oh, there's no wait right now. That is very tempting. Well, Grand Fiesta Tour is a straight walk-on. We can see some more plexiglass along the queue line.
See the duck? Ay, ay, ay! Wrong duck! Goodbye! He goes, there 1, 2, and 3 goes, we're always together. What means ay caramba? Oh yes, I don't know.
Oh no, my glasses are fogging up. We have another relaxation station here at Akershus. It's all inside. I forgot to tell you guys, we are about to ride Frozen Ever After. It was a 40-minute wait, and we can see more plexiglass barriers along the queue line. We have the back row, by the way, the boats are spread out. There's somebody in front of us, nobody in the middle.
We're going up to Elsa's Ice Palace with you and you. Selfish act of true love and full of frozen heart.
Oh, and you're their best friend.
Indeed.
Hey, they're going up to the Ice Palace.
Just call it night.
'Cause we have reached. Let it go, let it go.
Frozen things do in summer.
Da-da, da-da. Ba-ba-ba-ba.
Disney now has cast members walking around the World Showcase with signs saying if you have food or drink, you need to pull over to the side because you can no longer walk with your mask down and eat. I think it's a good move on Disney's part, but I mean, here's another guy coming up with signs just walking around the World Showcase. Oh no, a storm is heading this way. Since we can no longer walk around and enjoy our drinks and food, we went to Starbucks and we decided to head inside Living with the Land to enjoy them and try to ride Soarin' again. And also, about 30 minutes from now, we have reservations upstairs for Garden Grill.
I'm so excited.
You took the words right out of my mouth. I'm
excited.
very excited. Soarin' is currently a 15-minute wait.
These little beauties.
always fun riding Soarin', but now let's head upstairs and have some lunch. I also really appreciate Disney's hand sanitizer stations because they give you the perfect amount. Not too much, not too less. And here we are, back at Garden Grill. This is the second Disney character dining experience to reopen with the parks. And you can also find a character dining experience back at the Four Seasons. I'm excited. I'm eager to see how the characters will come up to you here. And just like that, we checked in with the QR code, and now it's time to go eat. We have been seated, and we have another QR code for the menu here. And our server just told us everything is the same. And like I said, this is still a character dining experience. As we see, Chip and Dale have made it here. They're keeping their social distance. Good to see you guys. We have our fresh salad, our rolls, our drinks, already off to a good start. I'm very impressed. Usually when I come to Garden Grill, it is somewhat rushed, but we've been here for about 15 minutes and it's going slow. And me personally, if I'm paying for this type of experience, I want to take my time. I want to enjoy every minute that I have and every bite, and also the characters. I like this way better because number one, you get more character time with them by being up there. You're not rushed. So far, it's going really, really well. And also, there's nobody around us. I love it. And here we are. Remember, this restaurant is family style, so it's all you can eat. We have turkey, green beans, mashed potatoes, our beef, corn, stuffing, and macaroni and cheese, but they no longer serve French fries. But let's dig in. Hello there, Mickey and Pluto. Good to see you guys. The food is great. Disney has installed more plexiglass here at the dinner table. Check this out. Since the characters are not allowed to give you an autograph, we got these. So you still get their autographs and you have a nice little souvenir. This is Jeffrey, our amazing server for the day. I just wanted to show you guys what our server is wearing so you guys know what you're getting yourselves into. Very safe, has a face shield on, a mask. Thank you for being here and stay safe. We just finished here at Garden Grill, and as always, the food was amazing. The service was amazing. The characters were amazing. This is definitely one of my top 5 best places to eat here in Epcot. It's always just so good. The price hasn't really changed.
Rich soil that would one day become home to the American farm.
Look, there's Garden Grill. That's where we just had lunch.
Two of the edible plants that have been an important source of nutrition for people living in the tropics.
We were inside living with the land for a good 2 hours, 2.5 hours, rode Soarin', hung out, and had lunch. The rain has finally went away for the time, so we need to start our lap around the World Showcase while it's not raining, because when it rains, I can't vlog. I just want to take a minute and show you how empty and quiet Epcot is right now. I'm not really sure what to say. Our first stop around the World Showcase, France, because I want to see if I can find some creme brulee. Oh yes, I have found the creme brulee. All right, let's give it the crack test. Yum-y. All right, we made a little bit of a detour because I want to check out how the Skyliner is doing since the reopening. We have the gondola all to ourselves. It is good to be back on the Disney Skyliner. Here we go, about to take off. Oh, that breeze feels so good. And yes, you do have to keep on your face coverings at all times. We have made it to Disney's Riviera Resort. We will actually be staying here in just a few weeks, which I'm super excited about. We just got off the Skyliner, about to walk around and head back to Epcot to finish out today's video. All right, here's our update of Ratatouille. Right here is the show building. I mean, it still looks like they have some work to do, but it's looking pretty good. Let me do some zooming in. Oh yeah, right there's the queue.
Must disembark at this station. Return service is available. Thank you. We hope you enjoy
all the groundwork looks done.
Flight on Earth.
I say it's probably 85% done. They still have a lot of work to do at that restaurant right here.
Please remain seated until
Wow.
doors.
We just got back inside Epcot, and I wanted to let you guys know here at International Gateway through security, they have the brand new software system like at Animal Kingdom and Disney Springs. I love that security system. It is so fast and so easy. I know a few of you were asking about paper maps, and yes, they still have paper maps. All right, my friends, I'm going to go ahead and call it a day here from Epcot. It is getting so hot outside, especially after it rains. Just gets so hot and humid, so we're gonna go ahead and call it a day. Plus I have no more medical masks because I went through 4 of them today because it was so rainy and hot. But it was just a fun Epcot day. I love how spread out and open Epcot is, especially around the World Showcase. And today I noticed a lot of cast members walking around the World Showcase with those signs telling guests you can't walk and eat anymore, and making sure people are always wearing their mask right. I just think that was a great idea. Cast members are just doing so great back at Disney. I mean, all of them really are. Like I said, it was just a fun Epcot day. We done everything we wanted to do from last time, all the attractions, plus we rode Soarin', plus we had a great lunch back at Garden Grill. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys are new here because we do this quite often. Make sure you're following me along on Instagram and check out all my links down below. I love you guys. Please remember, it's nice to be nice, and YouTube, I will see you in the next video. Prince Charming, out.
I ain't feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, with those gonna lift me up this time. You were the only one who got me tripping up inside. All the words you told me, am I reading something different from your eyes?